And the idea here is to trace now the profile curves in order to, we're going to draw this stairs over here. And what we need to do it, so let's go through the exercise so you can see the final outcome, what we need to achieve. So this is our final outcome. We are going to design, we're going to use the twin curve. So we need to trace the profile of the first step down there, which is this curve. Oops. So the bottom curve, and we need to make the top curve. After we have all of them, we are going to place one on top of another, as you can see here. So after we place the one curve on top of another, we have the top one and the bottom one. We are going to use the twin curve in order to create the curves in between the two of them for the steps. And this is only what we need to do. We don't need to create surfaces for now, only the curves. Let me delete this big surface. And also, so from now on, so session 2 and 3 and 4, it's going to happen this in every activity, which is you guys see me having the step by step. So I have a step 1, step 2, step 3, and I show you guys all the steps, right? And sometimes what I do is I make step 1 with you guys, and then I move my image to step 2, and then I move to step 3. You don't need to move like I'm moving. You can just stay in the same position. I'm only moving to become so you guys to become more to explain in a better way. But you guys can just trace in the same place and just keep in the same position in every step. Okay, so let's go for step 1. Step 1 is create polylines, so the straight ones, and then we need to trace in the step 2 the curved ones. Let's go for the top curve and bottom curve. So I'm going to zoom in. So also I'm going to use two images, one for top, one for bottom. So straight lines, I go for polyline and oops, let's change my change. So mode line. And also I'm going now for the straight ones, I'm going to use my ortho. So I go straight and until here. And I'm going, so just to become more visible, I'm going to change the color to red so we can actually see the curve on this image. And then another top curve is the other corner. This is a moment that I use my snap because I need to snap on the image edge, and I'm not snapping, you see? This is a moment that I choose near because you see now I'm snapping. You see it's becoming there's a darker black line. That means I'm snapping. So this is a useful moment that I use near. Then I switch off again because I have a snap here at the corner and I finalize the top curve here. Let me change to red again. If you don't want to change to red, it's fine. Cool. So I created the top lines and what I can do is I don't need to recreate the bottom lines again. I can just copy those two lines, command copy. I'm going to snap at the corner of my image as a reference, and then I snap in the same position of the other image. So I have the top ones and the bottom ones, but the bottom I need to modify a little bit because the bottom one I'm just going to extend. So I'm going to select my curve point and I can just move, extend a little bit. This corner matches, so it's the same position for the top and the bottom. This corner also is the same for the top and bottom. I only need to extend this part until over there. So this is the only difference between the top and the bottom. Now I go for the organic ones. Let's go for top. So top curve is this first step. Curve command. Now I don't need ortho because ortho with the organic one is not good. And I can trace. I know it's very different. I can modify afterwards like this. There you go. So I have one already. Now I go for the second one. Again, you always need to modify afterwards. It's very difficult to get it right at first. There you go. So I have my top ones. Now I go for the bottom one. Oops, I clicked very far. Even though it looks like the bottom one is a little um bigger than the top one, we can use the same, it's fine. It doesn't have to be completely identical. I don't think I need this curve. Let's check if I actually don't need. No, I actually need that point. All right. This is the point that I think I don't need. That's why I was saying this is time consuming, modifying the points. This is good. Cool. We have the top one, the bottom one. We need to overlay them now.